Good day, investors. Welcome to the 30th of March 2015. The trade for the day is called Life Healthcare Group, and the code is LHC. Last traded price was 40 Rand and 85 cents. The action on this trade is to do a buy with the objective to go from a low to a high level. Entry level will be on the grey line of 40 Rand and 60 cents, and target will be 43 Rand and 3 cents. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 59 Rand and 79 cents on this red line. Current open trades. There's no current open trades at this stage. There was completed trades that happened on Monday. That was only Monday and Shoprite last week, 26th of March. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. The black line is indicating the movement of that index, and as you can see, it's losing a lot of momentum because it's still trading under the 10-day, that's the red moving average, and the 20-day moving average, that's the blue line. So you can actually draw a little of a movement there, and it could be at the bottom of that cycle. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials himself, they closed 34 points stronger on Friday, so they actually recovered a bit. If you're going to look at this, they did recover a bit back to that blue line there. Looking at your Bollinger Bands on this chart, they're currently on these low levels here, and currently the futures are showing a bit of positiveness, opening for Monday morning of about 34 to about 36 points, but it can change at any time. So yeah, they're at the bottom of the cycle at this moment after they came down and they went up. Looking at that momentum. Looking at the J200, very important, is currently you can see this negative channel forming here. There was a positive movement, negative movement, there was the last positive movement, and there was a quite big breakdown coming to this low here. Now currently the futures are showing a positiveness today as well in our market, where we could see a bit of a bounce up happening here, but we need to see if it's going to last and it's going to be stronger, because now it's at the bottom of the cycle. And normally when it's at the bottom of the cycle, you can normally see a positiveness happening on the specific share or index. Also confirmed with the Bollinger Bands at the bottom on this red line and the purple line. Let's go and look at some shares quickly, and let's start with Barclays Bank. Now here's Barclays Bank, downward momentum. High of this momentum, low, high, low of the momentum, currently breaking up. We can expect a bit of a breakup happening here in this positive channel from levels of 183, currently 182, to back here to the most probably a 188 levels if this continue from a positive channel, negative to a positive channel again. Looking at Standard Bank, same momentum currently happening. Shares got a lot of support here at the bottom at current 155, trading at 167. But if you look at the shares momentum, it's still very positive. And look at the Bollinger Bands, trading between the green and the red in a positive channel there as well. Let's go and look at your MTNs. And as you can see, MTN came down a lot the last week from 226, and they're back here at a level of 203. At the bottom of the channel here, we need to see if this is going to be now a start of a positive channel starting again from this low levels. Vodacom. Now Vodacom is also, you can see this highs here, and you can see this lows in support. And this is just showing the current trading range, 132 to 134. That is the current trading range. We need to see if it's going to break it up or start breaking it down. Let's run to the retailers quickly. Now the retailers are quite interesting to view at this moment. There's the bottom breakdown of Shoprite, currently trading on this sideways pattern, and you can actually draw a line up here and here. And we need to see now, was this the current support, or is this share due for a breakup here at 160, 161? If it does break up, where's the next high? 166, 167, and that's also concurred with the red line. So we need to see if the share can actually start pulling up today here. Looking at your Willies, looking precisely the same, trading between the green and the purple, downward momentum. Needs to see if it's going to break this 86 Rand level. If it does, movement could go back to the 90 Rand level. But it's on the top of that cycle. Look at ShopRite as well. It's on the top of that high resistance line there. So could it be a breakup, false breakup, and then a breakdown, continuing the cycle? We need to confirm it. So Woolies, as I explained, the same. So let's go to Mr. Price. Now Mr. Price at this moment looks precisely the same. Downward between the green and the red, lost a lot of momentum. If it breaks its 256.33 level, could it move higher? Or it's just had a high false movement down in the breakdown. So take note, short week, Friday, public holiday till Monday, big data due on Friday, payroll figures of the US markets about the jobs reports for last month. We've got figures due on Tuesday. We'll send more detail about it tomorrow. So the market has got news, public holidays, markets close. Be on your toes because this could be quite another volatile week coming forward with all this public holidays and news being released. Enjoy your trading.